Realme unveiled the GT7 Pro in China last November, which was launched in India later as the country's first Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered smartphone. According to a new leak, both the Realme GT8 and GT8 Pro are expected to launch together in October. There is a possibility that the GT8 Pro could be launched at 3,999 yuan for the base variant. The Realme GT8 Pro may sport a flat OLED display with 2K resolution and an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner embedded under the screen. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, the next-gen flagship chipset from Qualcomm. It is likely to ship with the Realme UI 7-based Android 16. One of the most striking upgrades could be in the camera department, with a 200-megapixel periscope lens likely to feature in the setup. This could be the Samsung HP9 sensor. This camera sensor features a large 1/1.4-inch size and supports 4x4 pixel binning. Battery capacity might reach 7,000 mAh, supported by 100W fast charging. It is expected to launch in the last quarter of 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.